In its push to become a fully integrated AI oncology platform, expanding both the front end of cancer detection and the back end of therapy selection, Tempus AI's recent product launches and partnerships are speeding up its intention to own more of the cancer care workflow as it deepens its role in diagnostics, real-world data, and biopharma collaboration. A central supporting pillar of the Tempus strategy is tied to the launch of HRDRNA, a 1,660 gene RNA-based algorithm designed to detect homologous recombination deficiency, HRD. HRD status helps determine whether patients may benefit from platinum-based chemotherapy or PARP inhibitors. Unlike traditional DNA-based genomic scar tests that measure structural damage, Tempus' RNA model analyzes gene expression to provide a more functional and dynamic read of tumor biology. Tempus believes this approach may identify patients whose tumors are actively exhibiting HRD-related behavior, including in cancer types where DNA scarring is difficult to detect. While currently available for research use only, HRDRNA is expected to become clinically available later this year. Tempus has indicated that real-world validation data, including evidence of improved outcomes in HRDRNA-positive metastatic pancreatic cancer patients treated with platinum regimens, will be published in 2026. The test strengthens Tempus' competitive positioning against other oncology diagnostics players by expanding its differentiated biomarker portfolio. Management sees proprietary AI-based assays like HRDRNA as critical to increasing test volumes and reinforcing biopharma partnerships, particularly in drug development programs targeting DNA damage repair pathways. Tempus is also expanding into earlier points of care through imaging. It partnered with Median Technologies to integrate the Ionis LCS-AI tool into its FDA-cleared Tempus Pixel platform for lung cancer screening across the U.S. and Europe. Lung screening represents a large and reimbursed opportunity, with roughly 14.5 million Americans eligible under current guidelines. By embedding AI risk assessment into imaging workflows, Tempus can participate in screening volumes beyond genomics and link those data streams into its broader oncology platform. The revenue-sharing distribution model gives Tempus exposure to usage-based growth if adoption scales across hospital systems and screening programs. These developments help back what founder and CEO Eric Lefkofsky said about Tempus being a technology company building one of the largest multimodal oncology data libraries, making it much more than a simple diagnostics company. After all, Tempus integrates clinical records, molecular profiling, imaging, and outcomes data to generate AI insights that serve both physicians and pharmaceutical partners. Lefkofsky has emphasized that network effects from these data assets are compounding, strengthening the company's ability to drive growth while improving patient care. Financially, these optimistic sentiments are taking shape to an extent. Fourth quarter revenue reached $367.2 million, up 83% year-over-year, with 33.5% organic growth excluding acquisitions. Diagnostics revenue grew 121.6% to $266.9 million, supported by 29% oncology volume growth and 23% hereditary testing growth. Minimal residual disease (MRD) volumes reached approximately 4,700 tests in the quarter, up 56% sequentially, highlighting traction in high-value monitoring applications. Data and applications revenue rose 25.1% to $100.4 million, with Insights data licensing growing nearly 70%, excluding one-time warrant impacts. For full year 2025, revenue increased 83.4% to $1.3 billion, including $955.4 million from diagnostics and $316.4 million from data and applications. Gross profit climbed 109% to $797.9 million, reflecting operating leverage in diagnostics. Net revenue retention reached 126%, and total remaining contract value exceeded $1.1 billion, providing visibility into future revenue streams. Although Tempus posted a net loss of $245 million for the year, including $136.3 million in stock-based compensation, Adjusted EBITDA improved by $97.3 million year-over-year to a loss of just $7.4 million, signaling a path toward profitability. Liquidity stays healthy, with $759.7 million in cash and marketable securities at year-end. Looking ahead, Tempus guided to $1.59 billion in 2026 revenue, representing roughly 25% growth, and expects approximately $65 million in Adjusted EBITDA, which would mark a meaningful move into sustained positive operating performance. Tempus continues broadening its AI toolkit. The launch of Page Predict following the Page AI acquisition extends digital pathology capabilities by analyzing standard H&E slides to predict 123 biomarkers across 16 cancer types, helping clinicians make decisions even when tissue samples are limited. The Immune Profile Score, IPS, further enhances immunotherapy selection by outperforming conventional biomarkers such as tumor mutational burden and PD-L1 in predicting survival outcomes across multiple solid tumors. Together, these tools strengthen Tempus' strategy of layering AI across genomics, transcriptomics, and imaging to create multimodal decision support. The Tempus ecosystem also got stronger from partnerships, like the one with NYU Langone Health and Northwestern Medicine, to expand access to Tempus' genomic testing suite and support longitudinal molecular profiling studies designed to track tumor evolution. Biopharma collaborations, including more than 70 data agreements signed in 2025, continue to grow the high-margin insights segment and validate the value of Tempus' real-world data platform. Now, as 2026 rolls along, key catalysts to watch for involve publication of HRD RNA validation data, clinical rollout timelines, reimbursement progress, and adoption rates for both HRD RNA and Ionis LCS within routine workflows. On top of that, the speed at which these AI-heavy assays convert into durable testing volumes and data licensing contracts that support expanding margins will also be something to pay attention to. Then, to diagnose charts of the stock variety, head over to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.